ChatGPT. It's a trend started by the meme god himself with one of his subsidiaries OpenAI to keep us from being occupied by the eventual death of the bluebird. What is ChatGPT? For those who were living under a rock all this time, ChatGPT is a chatbot developed by the ingenious team at OpenAI. It is sweet and simple and will blow your mind all at the same time. It is a simple chatbot that has an interface similar to a chat application. Just instead of people being on the other side, it's an AI. I have been using it for all this time for solving all my assignments. Please don't tell anyone. You just copy paste a query and you have the answer generated in seconds. It also writes code for you, which is insane. And we are going to do the exact same thing in this video. I am going to build a program using ChatGPT. The rules for the challenge are no use of Google or any other website other than ChatGPT. That's it. That's the only rule. So I have a bunch of project ideas, but I want a not so complicated as pain in the butt one. What about a look away app that gives me a pop-up to look away from your screen for a certain amount of time after a certain amount of time? And sorry Windows users, it's only for Mac. I first tried asking ChatGPT to directly make the app, but as you can guess, that didn't work. So I thought of a genius strategy. Break down the problem, feed it into ChatGPT and attach the parts myself to make the whole app. So I finally understood how to run a system commands using C and get a pop-up window using Apple script. And was this posted? 2013. Something new. So, which asks for the time you want to take a break. I tried to do a slider, but Apple script was giving me some error, so I gave up. I then tried to get what button was pressed by I asked ChatGPT. Then I thought it would be a great idea to get the time you want to be reminded through the command line arguments instead of pop-up or just assuming you want a break every hour. But I changed it back to being reminded every hour though, so it doesn't matter. I also tackled many bugs. I had lost my sanity. My mouth was saying something insanely unprofessional. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it will come. Then after, because we have specified the argument as 1, the pop-up will be back in 1 second. Yeah, it works. Fuck yes. Sorry. Sorry, but not sorry. But I pushed through and changed from having default command line arguments to an hour by default. So you are forced by the app to work for an hour even if you don't want to. The app will pop up on the screen after an hour reminding you to take a break. The project is complete and up on GitHub, which you can find below the like button. Wink wink. So in conclusion, AI is not there yet. Even in this project, I had to take multiple iterations of the code and even make changes with my own pretty hands. So no need to worry, we just have to wait until the nuclear bomb named Twitter is dropped and demolished humanity off of Earth. Subscribe to this channel if you like me to go insane. I also have a lot of projects and many other types of content planned for this channel. Also, follow me on Twitter, I have been active over there lately. And thanks for watching, see you in the next one.